Marti, Kristen, so excited. Chef Marti Mongiello was here, a former White House chef. So exciting. And he brought his 9-year-old daughter, Raina. Welcome to the show. This is great.
Yeah.
Intergenerational. So, Marti, you're teaching Raina how to do all this, huh?
Yeah.
Yep.
She's avid, loves cooking and baking.
Oh, my gosh.
Yep.
Are you going to be a White House chef, too, one day? Maybe.
That's a tall order, huh?
So,
I mean, I'm thinking about being some type of Mona Lisa painting dude.
oh, a Mona Lisa painting, dude. That's maybe even better, Raina.
She loves painting. We're going to do the Mrs. Grover Cleveland's brown.
Yeah, so Frances Clara Cleveland, right, was the youngest First Lady ever, 21 years old,
21, yeah.
but yet she was baking.
Yes, she
was baking up a storm, and she was making this brown bread, right?
Yeah, and we start right here with a little bit of molasses, 1 cup, and 2½ of buttermilk.
Okay. What is special about her recipe? Why are we digging this?
Well, look at what Raina's putting in right now. This is rye flour.
Ooh.
So, this is cornmeal she put in. A lot of people are wondering why people in Boston would be eating cornmeal, and you have the rye flour. Dump that in.
Dump in. How much
Yeah,
rye
the whole
flour?
thing. That's 2½ cups there, and the recipe is available. We got here a little bit of baking soda.
All right, how much baking
Of course,
soda
it's
are we
going to
throwing
start
in?
out
This is just a
clumpy.
heaping teaspoon.
Okay.
We'll whip him in.
And this is making sure it rises?
Yes, this is going to help with that. And 1 level teaspoon of salt there.
Okay, what
But
is it?
yeah.
You know, sweet recipes always have a little salt. Why is that?
Yeah, sweet and, sour. People love it.
I like that combination.
Yeah, they love it. Yeah, it's like the salted caramel that people love.
now
So,
that is
all right,
good
now
stuff.
we're going to move this over here, Raina.
Okay.
Let's come on over yonder.
All right.
Because Raina was busy doing a well-buttered pan
that
there.
is well
So
buttered. Do we
this
like it
is.
layered like that? I always make it super thin.
I like
but
it
no.
thick, yeah.
Oh.
Make sure it doesn't stick.
Okay.
And when the English actually strip out all the wheat out of the colonies and demand we want it all, send it all over, we see the colonies start using cornmeal. And so this is a very famous bread that is going to be steamed. And look at that. Let's just pour it right in there.
Delicious. So whenever we're making recipes from the late 1800s, it always seems to have cornmeal.
Yes, and this one is a crazy one in my book. The way she wrote it up is a bowl of flour and a bowl of rye and a bowl of...
So no exact measurements.
Yeah, it's like, what's a bowl?
What's a bowl? How big is the bowl that she's using?
I had to play with it and really try to figure it out. And this is kind of, like I said, it's a steamed bread, Cheryl.
Okay, what makes it steamed? I've never even heard of that.
Look, we're going to do water.
Oh, in the pan.
And I grew up as a child eating this B&M brown bread in a can. And so you get the bread out of the can.
Bread in a can?
Yes, yes.
Bread in a can?
What do you think, Rachel? That sounds crazy. That's crazy talk, Marti.
This is super crazy too. 325 degrees, 2 hours and 20 minutes steaming.
Ooh. 2 hours and 20 minutes?
Yes, at
this
325.
Is gonna cook like all morning.
Yes, and then we take it out of the steam and we bake it for 20 minutes.
Okay.
And we end up with this wonderful brown bread here.
Okay.
And we love to slather it with butter.
Can we eat this with our fingers?
We can, yeah.
Butter is basically the frosting.
Finger licking good.
Can I take this one?
Yes, you can.
Okay.
And I like the Raina. You're going to get one. I like mine just slathered with butter.
Slathered with butter. This recipe has lots of butter.
Butter.
I
It's good.
have grown up eating this my whole life. Very famous Boston brown bread.
It's a little bit of like raisin bread.
Yes, and
Super
sometimes
moist. A little squishy, Marti, but I love that.
we make it with raisins sometimes.
Okay. Did
So-
you like it, Raina?
She didn't grow up eating it her whole life.
Not her favorite, but still pretty good, right?
Yeah.
I think
really good.
the rye flour really catches people, and the molasses and the cornmeal.
Yeah, it's an interesting complexity of flavors.
No wheat.
Did you bring this recipe to the White House?
This was already there from Frances Folsom Cleveland.
So they've been making it ever since the late 1800s with Frances?
Yes, and now our town is named after Grover, her husband, Grover Cleveland. So we thought,
Cleveland, we love that guy because he was president twice.
Yes,
but not consecutively.
Only person in history.
Yeah,
Yep.
22nd.
And Cheryl, another good Jeopardy question. He won the popular vote 3 times in a row.
Oh, wow.
Only person ever to do that.
See, making history. Both of those Cleveland's making history.
Thank you for having us.
This is good stuff. We love it. Thank you. If people want to find out more about this recipe, where do they need to go?
They can go to our site, InsideThePresidentsCabinet.com. The recipe's right there if they want.
Perfect. So
Yeah.
good. I love this.
Thank you. I'm going to
Make
Back
sure
in
bite
the
into that.
19th century.
Make sure yours doesn't stick to the plate like mine.
We're going to make sure that mine doesn't stick, Rania. All right.
I mean, I just
Good job. When we come back, we are heading to the social center. Callie is there